I'm saying about adjusting when the gym is packed. I originally had the decline machine program, but now I'm using the flat hammer strength machine because it was open. The decline, they took it already, and I'm not about to wait. And honestly, I didn't really like the decline. I was just giving it some time to kind of adjust so I could have that mind and body connection, but I ended up just doing flat hand machine. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's 6 a.m. Flat bench, flat machine, hammer strength, press, I think.
Yes, I'm the chaser and I came with Gigi. I get rich and dripping wet. Bitches that chase a party. Gigi, job, huh? Bitches that chase a party. NCTV, but